Today we are here because of our past.
Right.
Now we are talking together. That is also because of our past.
Past. Yeah.
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 So whatever we are today, that
Yeah.
is because of our past,
Well said. Well
right?
said. Right.
So this in any
Yeah.
business, in relations,
Yeah.
in whatever field you are into, it is because of our past. First mistake is they do when they join.
Hmm.
Second mistake they do when they are having a team. And third mistake they do when they are successful. After doing so good and after having a thousands of people of group,
Yeah.
the all team has the all thing has collapsed.
Collapsed. Yeah.
Hey there, welcome to the Abundance Show Hub. This is a platform where you get to hear from some of the very best network marketers. Get to know them, understand their background, try to get their perspective on their journeys and what, according to them, contributed to their success in network or direct marketing. It will be my endeavor to get the best to put forth their honest, true to heart perspective about the industry, the developments, the future, and what gets them all excited about the work that they do. This channel is for those who are already into network marketing and for those who are considering getting into this profession. Let us do whatever it takes to grow in this wonderful profession by doing the right things with the right intent. And I'm excited at how we can build leaders who bring laurels and credit to this profession and transform many lives in the process. Cheers.
Today's guest is Mr. Samir Poddar, who is a network marketer for the past 20 plus years. He has built over the years many teams. Currently, he's with one of the very leading network marketing company, and his long-term perspective to the business and to the profession is something which is to be really valued. So without much ado, let me introduce and let me welcome Mr. Samir Poddar to the first series of the Million Rupee interview on the Abundance Show channel. So Samir, welcome
Hi,
to the Abundance Show.
hi everybody. Hello. Good
Yeah,
morning.
nice. Good morning. So Samir, let's begin with asking you to give us a little background about your childhood, about your growing up years, and about probably your working profession as a working professional or as a working life. What did you undergo and what did you do? Let's begin with that.
As everybody, my childhood was also um, very nice. Actually, I was living near to nature, actually, where there were mountains, rivers, not that big river, but small lakes, trees, and we used to climb those trees. We used to dive in the water, lakes, wherever I see
Wow.
water, I used to dive.
Nice.
Actually, today I'm very afraid of doing this, and if I see anybody doing this also today, I'm very afraid. As we grow, we see the risk.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
at that time, I was uh, just we used to just dive into it.
Very
So
nice.
this is how we were actually.
Wow.
I was, yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Right. So, it was your childhood you spent it in Mumbai?
It is near to Mumbai,
Okay.
next to Mumbai. It is Thane.
Thane. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it is Thane. It is next to Mumbai.
Yeah.
And today also the climate is very good here because of the mountains. Then
Yeah.
here it is surrounded by the this thing, creek also.
Right. Right.
So the overall the environment, the nature is good
Right.
for
Great.
living,
Right.
for residential people actually.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. So, Samir, what has been your work life like before getting into network marketing?
Before going to network marketing, actually I was doing job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was not good in studies.
Right.
You know that I was very much inclined to nature, so I used to play all the time.
Okay.
But that had helped me,
Okay.
particularly in this business,
Uh-huh.
because network marketing is a very natural business.
Right.
That is why you have told that have you prepared for the presentation. I told that I was very busy into this,
Yeah.
so I didn't get to prepare also, and
Yeah.
I told that I will be natural.
Absolutely.
So thanks for asking the question regarding the childhood, and I was very close to nature.
Right.
Yeah, so this is how it all went.
Okay. Okay.
So I was
So
not in studies. Your
yeah,
question was that I was not in good in
not
studies,
not on totally into studies. You're more
not
into like
totally into studies.
enjoying and getting the full
Yeah, yeah,
sort of the
yeah,
childhood.
yeah. And
Okay.
then my mother and father both were going doing the job, going for the job.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I was a free man in the child
Okay.
in the when I was child.
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice.
So that had impacted me.
Huh.
The, all natural things that impacted on me. I
Right.
was free,
Right.
and that freedom was somewhere built into my mind somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how it should be when we grow. Also, I
Yeah.
actually was not knowing what I was going to do when I grew up. I was not knowing. I was not knowing anything.
Right.
Just like if you go on the mountain, the energy will flow from the mountain to down only. The
Yeah.
rivers will go down.
Yeah.
So similarly, the life was like that. So
Yeah.
nature was taking all care of me,
Right.
and then nature maybe thought of giving the lessons also.
Very nice. Very
If
nice.
you don't study, if you don't study, if you
Yeah.
don't do the thing, if you don't listen to your parents, if you don't listen to that voice actually, so what everybody once happened, it happened to me also. I was put up into placed into one job,
Hmm.
and it was a government secured, safe, secured. Everything was okay.
Hmm.
So I was doing job. The day I joined my job, I decided that I don't want to do the job.
Hmm. The first day itself.
First day itself, I told myself that this is not good actually. I shouldn't be doing job,
Okay.
and not this kind of job, what I was doing.
Right. Right.
And it took me over almost 15 years
Yeah.
to leave that job.
Wow. Wow.
So, whatever you do, it is your decisions.
Yeah.
Whatever we do, it is right.
Hmm.
And if you go with the nature also, then mind it, nature will also teach you the lessons,
Absolutely.
and you
Absolutely.
have to be ready for that.
You have to be ready and
And
open for that.
then there also I did go. I have gone with the flow.
Right.
I was into automobile field,
Right.
and I was doing my job very nicely. We were actually from childhood. I used to be every game. I used to be a captain.
Okay. So you're a sports person.
So
Huh.
sports person. I used to be
Huh.
captain. Cricket
Huh.
also I used to be. Any games. Some. It was. I think it was inside us.
Huh.
Everybody has that.
Yeah.
Um, there is a saying in Marathi.
Huh.
uh, बाळाचे पाय पाळण्यात दिसतात मीन्स
Hmm.
who the child's legs
Feet.
are there no
Huh.
feet are
Huh.
there no
Huh.
that can be seen in that jhula that
Huh.
when you are
Cradle.
born itself
Huh.
yeah.
Huh. Huh.
So there is a saying, and with that saying which is very true.
Huh.
So whatever field
Huh.
we are today, we are success,
Huh.
that is because of our past.
Right. Right.
Today we are here because of our past.
Right.
Now we are talking together, that is also because of our past.
Past. Yeah.
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 So whatever we are today, that
Yeah.
is because of our past.
Well said. Well
Right?
said. Right.
So this in any business, in relations,
Yeah.
in whatever field you are into, it is because of our past.
Yeah. Yeah. Very true.
So you know that some bosses are very good and some are very not that good.
Yeah. Yeah.
We say no, this boss is not good. This
True.
is good.
True.
This person is not good. That is because of the because what nature he was living into,
Right.
right?
Right.
So
Right.
this is the thing. I was there also. I went with the flow. I did
Right.
my job very perfectly.
Right.
We have to punch the card,
Right. Attendance and all that. Yeah.
attendance and all
Yeah. Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
For the,
Yeah.
so I did it very obediently.
Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. No
No,
shortcuts.
no kalank.
Yeah.
No, okay, what you say in
No
English?
shortcuts. No, a blot on you.
Yeah, no blot on you. Blot on me. So I
Yeah.
did it very perfectly.
Yeah.
And 15 years I was into the job.
Yeah.
So very happy. Government,
Yeah. Yeah. Government
so no
jobs.
burden. I was the boss over there also.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we were into the unions.
Right. Right.
So there also I told that there wherever I used to go, I used to be like a captain only.
Right.
So I
Nice.
started participating in the unions.
Right.
So you know how unions are working,
Yeah. Yeah.
politics and all those things. So I got to know many things,
Right.
and these are the skills whereby leaders has to develop.
Well said.
If you think you are a leader or
Yeah.
you want to become a leader,
Yeah.
so you need to know politics also,
Yeah. Correct.
which is very important. Politics
Yeah.
also is very important.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there I happen to learn those things.
Mm-hmm.
I almost 1 lakh people were there.
Uh-huh.
It was a state transport,
Right. Right.
automobile state transport. So almost 1 lakh people. So we used to play district cricket also, season
Wow.
cricket,
Wow.
season ball.
Yeah.
So through sports also I was meeting many people. So
Right.
actually these things to meet people, to talk with more people
Started there.
from childhood itself, right?
Right.
I
Right.
was having many friends. So in my job also, today also I am having very many friends,
Hmm.
and I will like to tell you that nobody is with me today.
Hmm.
My childhood friends are not there.
Hmm.
My business where I was working, they are
Working.
also not me with
Yeah.
me, but they are my friends.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I don't have any complaint with them.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is their life,
Yeah.
right?
Well said. Well said.
No. So we think that whatever we are doing, everybody should do that. It is
Yeah.
actually not good.
Yeah. So, Samir, from what you said, to put it into a different perspective, sometimes people look at successes of people like you and want to hasten up the process or want to emulate you or copy you exactly the way you are, or the way you present. But sometimes, like you said, or not sometimes, every time, each one's journey is different. And what you are today actually has the lot of bearing that the result of what you are today is actually years of your exposure to in your childhood or your working life and all of that. So everyone's journey is different. And another important point which you brought out is very interesting, where you said your childhood friends are still with you, your friends are still there, but not necessarily in the business. For the business, there are different set of friends and different set of groups that come in and then they go out. So it's wrong to expect that the same set of people will carry on with your life all throughout. And then life will also get very mundane. If you have that kind of mentality, it will get very boring, isn't it? So have the same set of people doing everything together, sitting, utna, baitna, doing everything together, it will get boring.
Correct.
So very nice perspective brought in.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. So let me ask you this question. How did you get exposed into network marketing? How did it start? Where did it start?
It was 1995 maybe,
Okay.
or maybe before that.
Hmm. Hmm.
I was a new father.
Hmm. Hmm.
So suddenly I came to know that he shouldn't be like me.
Hmm.
He should study. He should do whatever I have not done, whatever regrets I was having. That shouldn't it should get corrected with my child, my first son.
Hmm.
Okay. So one lady came. I started reading books and many things. I started reading books. I was because you know that I told that I was not studying my school, right?
Yeah.
School times I was not studying, but when I realized, I started reading books.
Right.
While doing job, I was doing my engineering part time,
Okay.
mechanical engineering.
Right. Wow.
So yeah, after that I started to understand, to realize that we need to study, we need to update ourselves, upgrade ourselves. So I started reading books.
Hmm.
I was into automobile field, mechanical field. So I was the member of British Council Library,
Okay.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
So I used to go there. I used to sit there. I used to read many things
Right.
regarding that mechanical things and all those things, engineering things,
Right. Right.
right?
Right.
That didn't came to work in my field. What I
Right.
was doing in that, because in the ground engineering is different. In the school colleges engineering is different.
Right. Right. Right.
So the practical things are different. Theory is
Yeah.
different.
Right.
So I was. It helped me because I was doing practical and then theory also.
Okay.
That helped me to uplift in my life actually.
Right.
So I was happy because I was getting salary.
Right.
All job people are getting salary. They are happy.
Yeah.
They are satisfied. It is
Satisfied.
nothing to do.
Yeah.
My friends today, they are doing, still they are doing the job. See, I have left the job last I think 15 17 years back. I have left the job.
Right. Right. Wow.
So 15 17. So I total my experience of working is almost of
30, 32.
25 to 30 years of
30
experience
years.
is there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
25 30 years. I don't,
Yeah.
don't remember when I left the job.
Yeah.
Um, so you see, my friends working there are
Ah.
doing good.
Right.
Their children are doing good. Their children are abroad. Everything
Right.
is good.
Yeah.
So nature has given. God has is actually with everybody.
Everybody. Absolutely.
Is everybody.
It's
Everybody
your
is
choice.
happy. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is how I look. I
Yeah.
look. Everybody are okay. Everybody is happy.
Yeah.
Uh, everybody has their own way of doing the things. So people are with me because I will not let anybody force anybody
Yeah.
to
Got it.
do according to me.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Right? I will be a leader, but not a dominating one.
Yeah.
I was always a leader because
Yeah.
people wanted me to become a captain.
Right.
Not because I was captain, they were
Following you.
yeah, following me.
Yeah. Other way around. Yeah.
Correct. So
Makes
this is
sense.
how the natural thing was there.
Yeah.
So what happened?
Huh.
How I came to network marketing.
Huh.
So when I married, I came to know dal chawal aate ka bhav.
Wow. The price of the cost of all this, the day-to-day living.
Because I was living with my parents, so no
Yeah.
problem. I told that I was free as I'm free. No burden, nothing. But when I married, I thought I felt I should take some responsibility.
Hmm.
And then I started thinking in different ways. So one lady, we went to one this thing exhibition where there were books
Okay.
exhibition,
Right.
and the company was Lotus Learning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So World Book Encyclopedia.
Encyclopedias. Yeah.
Correct.
Right.
So actually, I was looking for my son.
Yeah.
That early World of Living was there.
Yeah.
It cost was almost 10,000
Yeah.
or
Those days.
25 years back.
Right.
10,000 rupees.
Right.
Very costly.
Yeah.
And that too in the books.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So, and you will see in my background,
Hmm.
there is one full encyclopedia.
Wow. Okay. I can see the rack. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, encyclopedia is there.
Huh.
So, that cost was almost 25,000 plus,
Hmm.
25, 27,000 plus.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, that lady, actually, I wanted to buy only that stuff,
Hmm.
10,000, because but what she did, she oversold me.
Right. Right.
She oversold it, and she sold that encyclopedia also to me.
Huh.
And then she told it is so easy. It is actually it is going to become free for you. So actually that
Triggered.
yeah triggered me. Free, it's let, tell me how I can make.
Huh.
Nothing. You have to just sell 10 units.
Huh.
So I told that I can do like that.
Huh. 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 Nice. Huh.
But it didn't work like
Doesn't work like
almost
that.
that too you have to do in 1 year only.
Right.
You do in the 1 year only, then that the whole set of almost 50,000 rupees was going to become free for me.
Right.
But
Right.
that didn't. I just made four or five units
Right. Right.
in a year. So
Right.
I didn't make it, but in that
Right.
time I learned a lot. I was exposed to all the trainers in the world because the concept was learning.
Right. Right.
So first time I came to know Zig Ziglar
Amazing.
and those people, all those
Nice.
gurus.
Those early days. Yeah.
Early days, yeah.
Yeah.
So 25 years, 25, 27 years back,
Yeah.
I was exposed to these people,
Yeah.
and we used to have a very good seminars. Those people were literally. I was actually mesmerized. Actually, I was
Yeah.
very impressed on them. I
Yeah.
was I felt fall in love with them. Those people's teaching
Yeah.
and what I was doing also.
Right.
There I learned books also, and similarly I used to go. I was get every time there was every weekly there was meeting.
Right.
So every week I used to go there. I used to get motivated, and with 2 3 days, I used to do. I used to go to my relatives, friends. So nobody took
Right.
the book.
Books. Yeah.
Nobody
Yeah.
took the book.
Yeah.
They started advising me. Why are you doing this? Why don't you sell pens,
Yeah.
pencils? This is a very big thing for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So a
Yeah.
lot of advices I used to come from my relatives and friends,
Yeah.
known people.
Yeah.
So then I started. Then I in that training. Then how you can go to the cold callings and all those things.
Yeah.
I used to go for cold callings also,
Right.
house to
Right.
house. How you have to knock the door, how you to get yourself ready, whatever conditions you are, whether you are depressed, what
Yeah.
you have to just get your energy instantly and then knock the door and how those things just
Wow.
all those practical things I
Yeah.
did 25 years back.
Right. Right. Fantastic.
And
Phenomenal.
that time I was young also.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
जुनून भी था,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, and then I was ready to fail also.
Yeah. Yeah.
At age, ready to fail also. So it was all okay. In my, I nothing to worry. My job was there. I was doing only for part time. And because of my passion, love to sell the book, to give knowledge to everybody, which I hadn't got for myself,
Hmm.
because that was my mistake.
Hmm.
So I was correcting with others. I was trying to correct this thing, but nobody
Yeah.
was because we all know that everybody is interested in ourselves,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So that is how I got into. I was not knowing that this thing is called network marketing.
Right. Right. Right.
So accidentally I fell into this thing.
Right. So I think those early days exposure to network marketing in a way, and also gave you the chance to attend all these training programs and learn from that, and put yourself into situations which were not very easy for you.
Correct.
Yeah, very interesting. So what has been your journey in network marketing after that? How has it been?
Uh, so as I was exposed to market, right? I
Yeah.
got exposed to market.
Yeah.
Started to go to people, and I was exposed to market. Then my friends said that these are the easy things. So that time one company was there naming Quantum.
Okay.
I don't know when, but it was 95,
Hmm.
1995 maybe.
Hmm.
So that Quantum was there. So
Hmm.
we struggle a lot.
Hmm.
I didn't got my first check over there. I got one slip that was equal to money only.
Okay.
So if you got 250 plus rupees, then only you used to get the check.
Oh, okay. So you have to accumulate 250.
250 only, but by that time every month you work, you will get only
Small.
that slip.
Yeah, okay.
With that slip, you can purchase the product.
Okay. Okay.
So I don't know when I got my first check, but
Uh,
previously we used to go get only that slip.
Right.
100 rupees, 150 rupees, 250 rupees means you are
Can buy
a
something.
great person. 250 rupees check.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it was highly motivated at that period of time.
Right.
Now people getting lakhs of rupees, and those people are not happy with that lakh of rupees.
Yeah. I think there also is an element of recognition that people look for. No? When you get a recognition,
time.
whatever it is, that time it would be good. Yeah. So even now, I think companies have got a way and means of giving you recognition. But recognition also is a huge part of all this, I think, from what you say.
Right.
Yeah.
And that is the difference between human being and animal.
Yeah. Yeah.
A jockey and a horse.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah. So, Samir, from your vast experience of so many years, what would you say are typical pitfalls that a network marketer should avoid? There are sometimes people come into network marketing with some expectations, or they come with some ideas, some notions in their mind, or probably watching people like you who are successful and they want to get into it. So, what are the things or the mistakes that typically network marketers can make, which you would like to tell them to avoid?
Yeah. There are three kinds of mistakes. The mistake is one only, but it can be done in three times. These people do mistakes.
Okay.
First mistake is they do when they join. Second mistake they do when they are having a team. And third mistake they do when they are successful. These are the same mistakes everybody is doing. They are doing on their own way. These people are trying to invent the wheel. These people are trying to invent their wheel. So these are the mistakes. Since you have asked directly to the mistakes, before that there are things. Actually, we should learn from the person who has introduced us.
Okay.
We have to learn that from the person who has introduced us. And if he is not capable, you have to go
one above,
and then you have to learn from anybody. You should understand what to learn first of all, right?
Yeah.
So network marketing is a business actually.
Right.
So in business, there is only a profit. If you are doing business, then you are doing it for the profit.
Right.
And if there is no profit into that, then that means that there is something wrong.
Right.
Or you are not doing a business.
Right. Or it's like a hobby, or it's like a pastime.
Charity. So first mistake is they are doing on their own. Second mistake, actually, these are the same mistakes.
First one is like they're doing without asking anyone else, without learning.
This is the first time they are doing the mistakes.
Right.
They are doing their own. After having a field team also, they are also doing the same mistakes again.
They're not learning what needs to be done to handle the team and all that from the leaders.
Yeah. And when they are a big leader also, that maybe sometimes that success goes into their head.
Yeah.
Again, that is also a mistake.
Yeah. So what would you say are the absolute musts that people need to do? They have to do this.
What it is, I would like to elaborate because this is very interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting in the sense that, see, you have seen everything. Your company you have selected is good. The timing is good. The products are good. The business plan is good. Everything is good. Now I am talking about an ideal company. This is an ideal company, right? So where everything is good. And here now you are asking, I think this is the right way thing that you are asking, that now a person is doing this. If everything is good, because in business, it will never happen then.
Yeah.
In business, if you are into a business, anything can happen.
Yeah.
Those people who are doing business, I think they should understand that anything can happen, and for that, we should be ready for that, right? Crisis management and all those things are there.
Yes.
So now, Satish, that you are asking that now people are doing mistake. Okay.
Yeah. So everything is good. Company is good. Product is good. And there are people who are successful also in that. Now. Huh.
Now people are doing mistake. That is because they are trying to reinvent the wheel. Starting people. Second, people take their team as granted also. Right? I have seen people, I have seen team collapsing, thousands of people, team collapsing, companies doing good. I think you might have also seen this.
Yeah. Yeah.
After doing so good, and after having thousands of people of group,
Yeah.
the all team has the all thing has collapsed.
Collapsed. Yeah.
We are having a Govinda here in Mumbai.
Yeah.
It is all teamwork, right?
Yeah. Yeah. All teamwork.
It is all teamwork. What
Yeah.
happens when
Yeah.
that matki?
Yeah. So
when
just to put things in perspective for people who might not know, Govinda from Bombay is where during that Dahi Handi they call it, during
Dahi
the
Handi.
Krishna Janmashtami, they have localized. They'll have these pots of like butter hang on the tall rice, hanging from two ropes on two sides, and then people make a human pyramid around that and reach that thing and they break it. So it's a teamwork. That's what Samir is trying to explain to us. Yeah, Samir, go ahead.
the objective is we have to break that handi,
Break it.
right?
Yeah.
What happens once the handi is got broken? When one breaks that handi,
Yeah, people collapse actually.
why
Or they take the-
why people
they take
collapse?
They take the money and they're supposed to collect the money, I think.
Yeah, that is. But most of the time that the pyramid collapses.
The purpose is solved, I think. The purpose
Actually.
is solved. Is that so?
Yeah, it is the.
Oh,
it is the thing.
okay. I
Once
never
the
thought about
purpose
that.
is what happens. The second people doing mistake is they think that it is now okay. I've got a team and now this team will work for me and
Purpose is solved. Now it doesn't matter. Wow, and you're a nice analogy to Dahi India. Very nice.
correct. So you need to have goal. Actually, we need to have continuously upgrading our goal.
Yeah, well
We have
said.
to daily put our goals, new goals. We have to correct it. We have to check it. We have to see it every now and then. Again, we have to understand is whether this is okay. What I have said 5 days or 5 months back, it is okay. If not, then we can just change it.
Yeah.
Goal shouldn't be like fixed. It should be flexible also.
It should not be like one time lifetime thing, Now it's done.
Not like
Now
that.
I'm nothing.
Most of the people are making mistakes here because they are getting trained by some. The trainers are okay, motivators are okay, but how they interpret and how they take, what meaning they take makes a difference.
Yeah.
They become so rigid, and that time they become very unhappy. The relations get spoiled. Many of the time, they had a fight because of money. Also, people.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
they don't know.
Yeah.
Actually, by this time they they just keep away the goals also.
Yeah.
So जब ये हंडी फुटता है, when the handi gets
Broken.
the pyramid get
Collapse.
collapses, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is very important.
Yeah. So Samir, I think I'm getting a very nice input from this now. Is that first of all, whatever reason you get into network marketing or as a profession is one thing. Second thing is also we as human beings tend to forget that there is a larger purpose of becoming something different or something bigger. And then automatically the byproducts are the money and the success and all of that.
Exactly.
We get so attached to that success and that numbers that we tend to lose out on the other important aspect of growing ourselves,
Correct.
And that's what you brought right from throughout the interview today, right from the childhood phase that you're explaining, and to the phase that you're explaining now, it brings that constant element of trying to say that who are you, what do you want, and what are you doing to achieve that. I think you're bringing that element of it very beautifully in a practical way.
Now the third thing,
Yeah.
and third thing is for me actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Particularly for you now.
Particular because if you are taking interview of mine,
Yeah.
I think I'm successful.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. This thing shouldn't go into my head or the person like me, anybody in the world, whatever business he is doing, whatever thing that this shouldn't go into his head,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This side shouldn't go because
Yeah.
I have seen in my 20, 25 years, 30 years of experience, I have seen they were big leaders, big giant leader. They were earning 20 lakh, 30 lakh rupees of money that time, that period of time, 20, 30 years back.
Yeah.
But today they are going through a very difficult time.
Times. Yeah. They couldn't sustain that.
No, actually, only thing is that everything is not money, but
Yeah.
we have to understand that there are people I have seen that they are not doing network marketing, but they are doing other things where they are successful also.
Right. Right.
So if you are successful, actually successful, you should one has to do different things. They can expand.
Yeah.
From this success, they can expand now.
Expand. Yeah.
That expansion has to be.
They have the freedom to expand. Yeah. Mindset as well as in terms of work.
Yeah, though expansion should be there.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't restrict.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometime I have
Well
seen
said.
that people getting so much of success also, they have the narrow minds also.
Yeah. Yeah.
The mind, they have grown so big, but the mind has
Yeah. It's remained the same.
shrunk.
Shrunk actually. Yeah. No, not remained the same, but it's shrunk actually. Gone the other reverse.
Yeah, God. So that was because the first button. I don't know how those people have worked. First button, if you don't put first button first,
Sequence.
then it will.
Sequence is
The
lost.
shot will not go. Yeah, sequence will lost, right?
Huh.
So these are all. I told that these are all things because of the past.
Right.
I also don't know what is going to happen next, but whatever it happen, we have to be prepared.
Yeah.
Today only I was listening to Anthony Robbins regarding the same.
Right. Right. Very nice.
Anthony Robbins is now having almost $5 billion of his business
Right.
turnover,
Right.
and he is having more than 35 companies.
Right.
He is in wife.
Right.
So this is how now the person who is going about, he has to think in a bigger perspective.
Right. Right.
So
Very nice.
network marketing is not everything. I think. Let me tell you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever business you are doing, if you are taken a franchise, it is not all.
Yeah.
If you are writing only a book, it is not all.
Yeah.
If you are a teacher, it is not all.
Yeah.
So whatever business you are successful,
Yeah.
now this is how you have to grow.
Yeah. Yeah.
I also don't know much about this thing, but I'm trying to learn actually.
Yeah.
What next? When you join a business, next. When you have a huge team, big team, next. When you have success, that ultimate success, next.
Yeah. What is the next step? What is the next step?
Yeah, because nature is actually in growth.
In only in growth. Yeah.
You see, anywhere the seeds are fallen,
Yeah.
there will be a life.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Wherever you see in the building constructions also, you can see the trees.
Yeah.
They are growing there.
Growing there.
So
Yeah.
growth is the first law of nature.
Nature.
Never to be satisfied. Be happy. But it is actually all complicated.
Got it. Got it. So what you're saying is either you're growing or you're dying, like Tony Robbins says. Only two things. There's nothing other way. No other way out.
Correct.
Yeah.
Perfect.